Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to an absolutely miserable day in Scotland. Oh, it's disgusting out there. I just had to put the door down. Anyway, so as you can tell, down here, got all the parts back from paint and they're looking spectacular. Let's put this bag of bits back into there and then let's get all this kit back into there. Right, so the wing mirror is now looking awesome and the back is looking absolutely awesome as well. But what we need to do now is we need to clean the outside, and the weather is too foul today, but it's meant to be dry tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in just a sec. And we're back, and it is actually quite a nice day. Right, so it's been a while since we've done any YouTube magic, so hopefully I'm still good enough at it. But what we want to do is we want to get the truck from there, put it right there. So with that did work. Happy days. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attempt to clean out the bed of this truck again. One last ditch effort. And then we'll move on and start cleaning everything else. Okay, so this is pretty impossible to film and do at the same time. But you can see, it's looking better than it was, definitely. So with that, I'm going to crack and do this off camera. I'll be back in just a sec. Well, it definitely looks better, and I'm pleased to report I didn't fall out of it this time. So anyway, with that, considering I would imagine most of you guys turned up to watch this car getting detailed, let's get on with it. Man, that took ages. Right, let's get this thing back in the garage, start clay barring it. Right, skipping forward just a wee bit, because now the truck's dry. Didn't bother recording it, didn't think you'd want to see it. It's now time to do some clay barring and then some machine polishing. Because as you can see, some marks would not come out with a wash. And some marks are actually scratches. But I can't imagine you guys want to see all of the car being clay barred. So I'll just give you some highlights. Let's get on with it. Man, these big trucks take ages to clean, but it's definitely looking better already. So before we start machine polishing, my new rubber floor mats just arrived for it. So let's quickly chuck these in, because I know they'll make the inside look so much better. Oh my goodness, look at how good they look. Don't worry about the bend. That'll come out with time, it's just because of the way it was sitting in the cardboard box. But look at how good they are. Absolutely perfect fit. Anyway, with that, let's move on and get this truck machine polished. My goodness, that takes ages to machine polish such a big car. But it is looking pretty spectacular, I have to say. Nearly all the scratches came out. There are a few that didn't, but not to worry. And as you can see, there's quite a few stone chips as well. So I'm very quickly going to break out the IPA, panel wipe every single panel, touch up all the wee stone chips, and I'll see you guys in just a sec for the wax coat. And we're back. So I've decided not to ceramic coat the car, and the reason why is the chances are my parents aren't going to look after it the way it's meant to be looked after. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to use Turtle Wax's new Hybrid Solutions ceramic and graphene paste wax that was sent to me by Turtle Wax, so thank you very much guys, I really appreciate that. And so yeah, let's crack on with it and get the whole truck coated. And just before we start, this stuff smells amazing.
You might be the one that truly love me. I'd be it too. You might be the one that truly love me. I'd be it too. I'd be it too. You might be the one that truly love me. You might be the one that truly love me. I'd be it too. naturally get me. I'd be the truth. I'd be the truth. You might be the one that truly get me. I'd be the truth.
That turtle wax stuff is super easy to apply and super easy to remove. Definitely recommend you guys going and checking this stuff out. If you've not got the world of time to ceramic coat a car, this stuff's pretty easy to apply. Anyway, with that, now that the truck's waxed, let's get her outside and take one final look at her. Ladies and gentlemen, check that out. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So anyway, with that, that's gonna be the end of this week's episode, guys and girls. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're keeping well and hope you're keeping safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.